Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. Today is going to be a bit of a different video. I do love doing speed clean videos, but I've been seeing a lot of Sunday reset videos and it just really inspired me. So that's what I'm going to do. Today's video is going to be obviously some things I like to do on Sunday before my week starts up again on Monday. I do nanny, and I do nanny in my house, and I like to just make sure I have everything written down on my calendar for the week, my workouts, and just obviously my schedule for the week for working, because there's a lot of the times where my man ask me the same question over and over again, and that's like one of my biggest pet peeves. So I like to write everything down on the calendar. Plus, it kind of helps me just stay organized. So I highly recommend y'all do that. The place where I have it on the wall is like the perfect spot, because every time you walk out in the kitchen, you can see it, and every time you walk down from the stairs, you see it as well. So I'm just filling that out, and it just helps me stay organized during the week. So like I said, I am a nanny, and I do in-home childcare, and I do have my sweet little 4-year-old boy with me as well half the week. So at the house, little kids have some grimy fingers, nasty fingers. We always wash our hands and use hand sanitizer and stuff here, but everything gets gross, and I just like to make sure I sanitize everything that things are being touched. So I start off with obviously right outside where the parents walk in and drop their kids off, and I like to just keep a clean house. One of the ladies that I watch her kids for, she picked her kids up the other day, and she was just like, how in the world do you keep your house so clean? And it just made me feel really good, because obviously I like to keep my house very clean and tidy, and it just gives me too much anxiety if I have a dirty house. Plus, like I said, it's kind of I'm cleaning constantly throughout the day to keep it clean while having the kids, and I'm always disinfecting things. So I'm just going to get some disinfectant spray, and as you saw, I wiped the door down. They like to touch the the window with their little fingers and leaves little fingerprint marks. So I like to wipe that down, and then I like to disinfect anywhere that we possibly sit or touch and stuff like that. So this rug gets super dirty. My cat likes to shed, and then we have a litter box right there. And then when the kids come in, they take their shoes off and all that. So rocks and weeds and all that kind of stuff gets all over the rug. So I'm just going to do some basic cleaning in this room and sweep and mop and all that. So I really hope y'all enjoy. All right, so again, I'm going to grab some disinfectant wipes, and when the kids walk up the stairs and down the stairs, they like to use the little rail, the wood little railing that Matt installed. I'll show you guys a little up close here in just a bit. So freaking cute, but they also do like to grab onto the metal poles, and this is not something that I do every week, but I like to do it try to do it a few times a month, just because, like I said, kids' hands can just get super dirty. And plus, when I was sitting down looking at this, I realized, okay, this obviously needs wiped down a lot more. Found some stuff right attached on there, and had to scrape it off with my fingernail. But yeah, basically just wipe this all down, because they like to grab onto it when they're going down the stairs. Our stairs are a bit steep, and they're wood, so they can be a bit scary going down for the kiddos. In the background, it was so sweet. Hunter, I was just so proud of him. He wanted to help mommy sweep the kitchen, so he did a really great job. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to wipe all of this down. Then I end up doing the stairs as well, and I'll show you guys how disgusting and dirty the stairs got. And that is definitely something that I do once a week, because I swear the floor gets so dirty so fast. I mop the floor every other day, and I know I probably shouldn't, because I don't know if it's good for real wood floors, but they get gross. So here I am wiping that cute little rail that Matt put in. So yeah, and then obviously wiping little places that are like necessary, like light switches and stuff like that. I did want to show y'all quickly what I do use to disinfect the floor most days. I use the Pine Sol, just like Pine Sol. Like you can see, it says kills COVID virus and 99.9% of, other stuff like that. I love this freaking stuff. I just use a bottle, fill it up a little bit, and then fill it up with water. All right, so it's time to clean the toilets. So most of the kids that I watch are potty trained. One of the boys likes to, well, I don't think he likes to. It's just obviously by accident, I feel like. So we're still working on it. Does pee on the little potty seat, and sometimes it gets on the ground. So I really have to wipe around the toilet and everything like that. So here's a little potty seat they use. I disinfect this all the time because, like I said, it gets very gross, especially with having multiple kids. Well, I don't multiple, 2 or 3 kids that use it. So I spray it with disinfectant, let it sit for just a bit, and then I'll spray it off with some hot water, let that dry, and then I put it back. So whenever I need to do anything in the kitchen, I have this little bin that has just some toys they can play, sit there on the floor and play with some toys. So I do like to spray that with disinfectant, obviously really well. I use the spray, and then other times I will use either a hot soapy washcloth or the disinfectant wipes. Here they are dry, so I'm just going to put them back in the basket and then put that away. So that's mainly kind of what I do. I do some other things as well, but I didn't get it filmed for this video, so I'll do that next time. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know down below. Be sure you hit that like button. It really helps me out. It means so much to me. If you're new here, let me know as well. And I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Happy Sunday, or any day of the week that you're watching this. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye!